Hi, I'm Rowan. Today we're going to be making Galaxy in a bottle. This is what you're gonna need. A big cup, baby oil, a funnel, food coloring, and glitter in a big bottle. First you're gonna fill your bottle halfway with baby oil. Next, you're gonna add your glitter on top of your baby oil. Next, you're gonna fill up your cup with water and pick your favorite color of food coloring and put a couple drops inside. Then you're going to stir it. And notice how the baby oil is at the top? That's because water is denser and heavier, so the water and food coloring go to the bottom. Now you're gonna put your lid on and as tight as you can and give it a little shake. Do you see a galaxy? And that is how you make Galaxy in a bottle. Shout out to Miss Preston's class. Thanks for watching. Bye.